Hello everyone, we the students from GM University are here before you to brief you about our project which is based on AI driven decision intelligence system using Power BI. So, myself Saitya and my friend Yuvraj V. Bajatri will be explaining you about our project further. So, as you all know, in today's world, data is growing very rapidly, and but making a correct decision from those data are really difficult as there is a large number of data set and predicting all the things from a single data set is really difficult and traditional methods cannot support them too. So we have come up with the solution that solves the problem combining AI intelligence with the data visualization tool to make the smarter and a faster decision. So the content we will be explaining are introduction, problem statement, objectives, a requirement, methodology, results, conclusion, and future work. So let's start. In- So the introduction is the organization generates large number of values of data, but converting it into a useful decision is challenging. The traditional tool BI system focuses only on the past data and lacks of predictive capability. So here we can see that the organization produced large number of data, but traditional methods cannot support the data as in a month there will be 1,000 plus data that will be getting generated. But in traditional method, a single person cannot just focus on all the data. They may miss a few details which may lead to a huge loss. So, our AI intelligence will be able to focus on every single data so that it can be useful, and our Power BI will be visualizing through the interactive boards which are available in it. So we'll be using the dashboards. This project interacts AI with the Power BI to enhance the smart and the data-driven decision making. So the problem statement is, as we have seen before, here the availability of the large number of data but lack of accuracy signal. So there are large number of data which will be generated, but we will be not able to study each data, and there will be lot of raw data in which there will be duplicates, missing data, etc. In traditional data, it's very slow and it's very hard to predict. Um, so it is unable to predict the future trend and outcome. So as the future will be changing, the AI will be having an update about what it could happen next. So this will help the person to get a more profit. Lack of intelligence between AI. So as we have seen, there is no combined uh, um, structure of AI and BI together. This will be a really good driven for real-time, significant, and automatic decision making. Next. So our objective is to intelligent AI with the Power BI for intelligent analysis, to develop a interactive dashboard for a better understanding, to provide a predictive insights for the business trends, to automate the decision making using AI, to provide effective and speed of the decision. In simple words, we will be providing a dashboard for the users so that they can visualize the data and predict the future to know about what change they have to make in the business to get more profit. So the requirement are the hardware requirement, a computer or a laptop with minimum 8 GB RAM. Here, if the data is small or medium, we can use 8 GB RAM, whereas if it's a large data, we will be using other tools, uh, stable internet connection, which are coming under the hardware requirement. In software requirement, we will need Power BI as it is used for visualization, and Microsoft Azure, which will be used as a cloud service for storing the data which were collected. Python for ML, AIML, and machine learning model to generate a smart AI decision. SQL database or Excel for data storing. Next, it will be continued by Yuvraj.
Hello everyone, myself Viraj. I am going to explain about methodology. There are 6 steps in methodologies. First step is data collection, second is data processing, and the third is data modeling, fourth is data integration, fifth is data visualization, sixth is data integration. Uh, Results and accepted outcomes. Interactive and real-time dashboards, accurate predictions of trades and patterns, AI-generated intelligence recommendations, faster and smart decision making, reduced manual effects and improved effectivity. Conclusion: the system transforms a traditional BI into an intelligent decision-making tool. Um, Combines data, AI, and visualization in one platform, improves accuracy, speed, and quality of decisions, helps organizations to become more data-driven and effective. Frameworks: interaction with real-time and IoT data sources. Use blockchain for data predictions. Use for advanced AI models for better predictions. Implementation of NLP for user interaction, enhancing stability. Thank you.
Thank you.